Hi, my name's Caitlin. Today I want to talk about the ukulele and why you don't need to learn a whole bunch of chords to learn a whole bunch of songs. Sometimes you'll download a whole chord chart and it'll have 100 different chords on it, but you don't need to know all those chords. You need only 4 main chords to learn thousands, maybe even millions. You can quote me on that. Millions of songs. The chords that you need: A minor, F, C, of course, and G. Or you can do G7 instead of G if you want. These 4 chords, even in this order, I'm going to play them and I will show you why you can learn a whole bunch of songs with 4 chords in the truth. Whereas Willie Nelson says you only need 3 chords in the truth for a song. Or even better yet, you don't even need the truth, just whatever you remember. So here's A minor, F, C, G. Here's a few examples of some songs you can learn with these chords. Wake me up when it's all over, when I'm wiser and I'm older. Save tonight, fight the break of dawn, come tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll be gone, it's going down. I'm yelling timber, you better move, you better dance, let's make a night. You won't remember, I'll be the one you won't forget. 'Cause you and me, baby, we ain't nothing but mammals. So let's do it like they do on the Discovery Channel. Well, I've known a few guys who thought they were pretty smart, but you've got being right down to an art. You think you're a genius, you drive me up the wall. You're regular, you know it all. It's gonna take a lot to drag me away from you. There's nothing that 100 men or more could ever do. I bless the rain